we divide 102 by 5 in a long division method. So 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down these 2 and 5 times 0 means 0. On subtracting we get 2. So now there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 0. So 102 divided by 5 is 20 decimal 4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.